First Take is presented by Chase Inc.
We are hours away from the Mayweather-Pacquiao fight of the century here in Las Vegas. I'm Ray Flores, your announcer. Welcome to the MGM Grand Hotel in Las Vegas for the First Take Duel by the Pool. Introducing first, the woman keeping things stable at the debate table, our champion and yours, Kerry Champion. And he's ready to style and profile the king from Queens, Stephen A. Smith. And from Oklahoma, the man with the plan who never ran, Skip the Truth. Two men, one championship. The First Take Duel by the Pool starts now.